Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week it's another one of our occasional updates on changes in the most recent versions of Pages, Numbers and Keynote, or as previously known, the iWork suite. I'll cover the major changes to the Mac versions of the apps in this tip video and the iOS changes in a future tip video. Now, as all of the iWork apps share the same code base, there are a number of features that are common across all of the apps. So I'll demonstrate these initially using Pages. So there are some changes to the text formatting options within Pages, Numbers and Keynote. So this is a standard page layout document that I've created. I've created a text box and I have some text in here that I want to make fancy. Now to do that, all I do is to select the text, open the format panel, and then let's start by making this bigger actually. Let's just use Shift and plus to make the text larger. Now to make this more fancy, I'm going to apply a gradient to the font, and I'm also going to create an outline as well. So let's make this a bit blockier first. If I go to font, let's select Stone Suns. Okay, and then what I will do is to click on this box here, select the text box and just drag this down so we can see everything. Let's make it a bit wider actually. Then select the text and now go down to text color. Now, instead of just text color, now we have a gradient fill, advanced gradient fill. We can apply an image fill or an advanced image fill, but let's just have a quick look at the gradient fill. Okay, so it's going from a light blue to a dark blue. If I want to change any of these colors, I can go over to here. Let's say I wanted it to go from blue to red. I can change the angle and the direction as well. So down to up or left to right. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.